Hey, gorgeous. Have you ever noticed how stress seems to creep into every aspect of our lives? Let's talk about something we all deal with: stress. It's that unwelcome guest that shows up uninvited and overstays its welcome. We know it's a part of life, but did you know it can affect your hair? Yes, that's right. Stress can have a direct impact on your luscious locks. It's true. When we're stressed, our bodies produce hormones like cortisol. This hormone is often called the stress hormone, and for good reason. Consistently high cortisol levels can impact our overall health, including our scalp and hair follicles. This can disrupt the normal hair growth cycle. This can lead to a variety of hair concerns, from dryness and dullness to more noticeable issues like hair fall. Imagine waking up to find more hair on your pillow than usual. But don't worry, there are ways to combat this. Simple lifestyle changes like practicing yoga, meditation, and using the right hair treatments can make a big difference. Stress-induced hair fall, often called telogen effluvium, is more common than you think. It happens when stress pushes hair follicles into a resting phase, causing hair to shed more easily. You might notice more strands on your brush, pillow, or in the shower drain. It can be alarming, but remember, this type of hair loss is often temporary. The good news is that by managing stress and nourishing your scalp, you can support healthy hair growth. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of holistic wellness, offers wonderful solutions for stress management and hair health. Rooted in centuries-old traditions, Ayurveda emphasizes balance and harmony within the body and mind. This ancient practice provides a holistic approach to well-being, addressing not just physical ailments, but also mental and emotional stressors. One deeply relaxing therapy is Shirodhara, where a steady stream of warm herbal oil is poured over the forehead, calming the mind and nourishing the scalp. This treatment is known to induce a meditative state, helping to alleviate anxiety and promote restful sleep. The rhythmic flow of oil creates a soothing sensation, making it an ideal remedy for those seeking tranquility. Another gem is Brahmi, a powerful herb known for its calming properties. Often referred to as the herb of grace, Brahmi has been used for centuries to enhance cognitive function and reduce stress. Its adaptogenic qualities help the body adapt to various stressors, making it a valuable addition to any wellness routine. Enjoying Brahmi tea regularly can be a wonderful way to unwind and support hair health from within. This herbal infusion not only calms the mind but also nourishes the body, promoting overall well-being. Sipping on Brahmi tea can become a daily ritual, offering a moment of peace in a hectic day. For a more convenient way to incorporate Ayurveda into your routine, I recommend exploring products from Hayagreeva Natural Skincare. Their range of products is designed to bring the benefits of Ayurvedic wisdom into your daily life, making it easier to maintain a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Their carefully crafted formulations harness the power of Ayurvedic ingredients to promote both inner peace and outer radiance. By using these products, you can experience the profound benefits of Ayurveda, from glowing skin to a calm and centered mind. Embrace the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda and transform your modern life. Managing stress is a journey, and finding what works best for you is key. It's important to remember that stress management isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one person might not work for another, so it's essential to explore different techniques and find what resonates with you personally. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine. This could be anything from physical activities like yoga and exercise to creative outlets such as painting or drawing. These activities not only help in reducing stress, but also in enhancing your overall well-being. Yoga and meditation are incredibly effective. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. Spending time in nature, listening to calming music, or simply taking a walk in a peaceful environment can significantly lower your stress levels. These practices help in grounding yourself and bringing a sense of calm and clarity. Indulging in a warm bath with essential oils is also a great option. The soothing properties of essential oils combined with the warmth of the bath can help relax your muscles and mind. Creating a spa-like atmosphere at home can be a wonderful way to unwind after a long day. Remember, taking care of your mental and emotional well-being is crucial for healthy hair and a happy you. Self-care routines, no matter how small, can have a significant impact on your overall health and happiness. It's about making time for yourself and prioritizing your needs. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Sharing your experiences and tips can help others on their stress management journey. What are your go-to stress relief methods? Whether it's a hobby, a specific routine, or a unique practice, your insights could be incredibly valuable to someone else. Share your tips in the comments below, and let's inspire each other on this journey to a calmer, more balanced life. Together, we can create a supportive community where everyone feels empowered to manage their stress effectively.